is an all-Ireland event, so we have more than 150 events taking place all across the island of Ireland.
We reckon now that we've had about 400,000 people have engaged with Maths Week. That includes children in schools all around Ireland, primary and secondary, north and south. We've also had family events, we've had events for adults, and it's all about trying to promote positive attitudes towards maths in Ireland.
We're showing that maths is needed for everyday life, problem solving, it's a life skill. And by doing puzzles and activities like this, people are getting more confident about doing maths, and that's very important.
We're here today for Maths in the City. What we're doing here is puzzles for the public, get them involved in problem solving and get them doing maths without even realising it.
We bring kids in on purpose and they engage in things like this. There's no evaluation, there's no pressure, and we find the kids engage very naturally in math.
I like doing the maths puzzles because it challenges your brain and it's quite fun and it can take you a while, so it's fun.
The demonstrations that they've seen this week, they've gone from having maths as one of their least favourite subjects to one of their favourite subjects.
Well, there's been a very big reaction to this stall in particular. We've had to get more boards so far. We've had people coming over and asking where they can buy them for their kids, but something quite colourful and creative, very tactile, gets them very involved.
They're really finding that they're actually having fun with maths. It shows them that while yes, maths can be challenging, it's also very rewarding.
By drilling into the maths, you can zoom in, like with a mathematical microscope, into how viruses form, evolve and infect. It is so incredibly important because maths is for everyone, and especially school children need to be enticed to see the enormous potential and fun, above all, that mathematics has to offer.
Like the different threefold and fourfold, and like it's just mad interesting the way all the verses contain these different like symmetries and all.
I never would have seen maths outside of just an exam, like I wouldn't have seen it in real life, so I guess maybe if they put more of that in real life applications.
It's Maths Week Ireland, it's like the best time, and today I've been at the Helix. We've had 2,000 people through this morning. It's going everywhere in Ireland. I mean, the range of people that we speak to, I talk to young people, there's people talking to older people, there's the academics.
He used creative ways to make more shapes.
It helped me learn about maths a lot easier and in a funner way, and I really enjoyed it.
He was motivated by beauty, and he realised that if he went into four-dimensional numbers called quaternions, he would get everything he wanted at war, so he'd scratch them on the bridge, famous piece of graffiti. So a piece of mathematical vandalism changed the world of mathematics forever.
As you know, we're celebrating the creation of quaternions. October 16, 1843, there were these seemingly strange new four-dimensional numbers, but they're used in many places nowadays. Space navigation, landing on the moon used them, landing on Mars recently used them.
The idea is that we're looking at what's called anamorphic images, so pictures that have been distorted or stretched or changed somehow, and they've got to try and look at that square of the image. They've got to mirror it so that it looks right in the mirror, and they've also got to stretch it so it looks correct when it gets distorted back by the mirror.
We were drawing and we were doing mirror objects and we had to put them all together.
We're here in the National Botanic Gardens today and we're celebrating Martin Gardner's birthday in a celebration of mind. We do maths games, maths puzzles, all kinds of maths fun for people of all ages. We have talks about maths magic, we have talks about card tricks and card games, things you can do at home as well.
We did a code and we had to figure out it, and there was maths words all mixed up and we had to find the maths word.
The game I played with the kids, we would ask them to pick a number between 1 and 10, and through a series of operations we would basically make it so that they would always end up with the same number.
Today was part of Maths Week Ireland, which has become, I've recently discovered, the biggest Maths Week of any country in the world. And the point of today was simply to show them some of the amazing things that mathematics is all about, at a level that they can engage with and understand. And too many kids think maths is sums, and I don't like that. You know, maths is, it's like saying English is about letters, and it's not. It's, as I said to them today in the show, it's about how you put them together, the amazing things you can make with them, and that's really what I'm trying to get across.